So here's the directions. We're going up to them. I hate these things. Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna like scoot away. They're on her window. God, these things give me anxiety. It's so weird. Look at this. I can't see. Okay. Whoa, an octopus. We're being attacked. We're being attacked by an octopus.
Get out of here, octopus! No! Get away! Get away! I will slap you in the head!
Window, Isabel.
Oh, what is this thing?
Are you the octopus?
Whoa, here's another octopus. More octopi.
Ah! They're attacking Mom and Dad! Stop slapping me in the face, yo! Stop slapping me! I told you!
I'm recording this. Oh no.
Nice rain. Good
Rain.
luck. Go fast.
It's a rainstorm!
It's raining, guys.
Rain party.
I love car washes, but like I also hate them. Here we go.
I will catch you.
Dancing in the shower. Wait,
catch
singing in the mirror. Dancing in the dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. The blower. Not the blower. Not the blower.
Hurricane!
No, it's a tornado.
Ah, tornado! We're going into a tornado, guys! Ow!
No, it's actually just the blowers. Ah!
No, it's a tornado! We're all gonna die! Ah!
Here we go. Wow! Look at the drops. Just go away. Look at. Are you gonna record your window? Whoa! This is so. Look at them.
Ah, tornado!
We're still going.
Keep on going! We're all gonna die.
Okay, we're done. Yay!